Thank you very much. Welcome to Choose Your Carrier. I'm your host, the Foremost Insurance Guy. Now let's get started by meeting our 3 eligible carriers. And here they are. Carrier number 1 offers auto insurance for the driver with a clean record and a nice mid-sized car. On his days off, he likes to go to market and enjoys reading. Meet Mr. Standard. Carrier number 2 specializes in insuring cars that other carriers may not want. In his spare time, he likes to read insurance journals, study analytics about auto insurance, and strives for world peace. Meet Mr. Non-Standard. Carrier number 3 prefers customers with a perfect driving record and a luxury automobile. He personally enjoys long drives through the country. Meet Mr. Preferred. Good luck, carriers. And now it's time to meet our special independent agent. She spends her days selling insurance to the fine folks in her hometown. She loves multi-policy discounts and long walks on the beach. Meet Ann Bischoff. Ann, how are you?
Good, excited to be here.
I can tell you're super excited. That's great. And there are 3 carriers on the opposite side of that curtain that are equally excited to meet you and find out if they can insure your auto customers. As always, you'll select the carrier that best fits what your customer wants, based upon their answers. And audience, Ann has no idea what these carriers specialize in, so no helping. Okay, let's get ready to play the game. And have a seat right here. Make sure you're comfortable. And get ready to choose your carrier. Carriers, good luck.
Hi, carriers. Nice to meet you. Here's my first question. Carrier number 1. I have a customer that has decent credit with an older car that has recently been in an accident. Do you want to give me an insurance policy?
Sorry, Ann. I like to write standard, and that means I can't really accept customers with recent claims or accidents.
Okay, and carrier number 2, do you want to give me an insurance policy?
Oh, absolutely, Ann. I actually specialize in non-standard customers and cars, and I love to write customers with okay credit and less than perfect driving records. They could have even had a recent claim or a lapse in coverage, too.
Carrier number 3, same question. Can you give me an insurance policy?
Well, sweetie, I prefer writing a more luxury car. You know, for the customers with the good credit.
Thanks, carriers. Next question. Carrier number 1. My auto customer is looking for some discounts and other amenities. What do you have to offer?
Ooh, I do offer some discounts, but I like to stick to the meat and potatoes of the policy.
And carrier number 2, what do you have to offer?
Well, I love to give multi-policy discounts. I also have one policy for every vehicle in the household. I also have the Dynamite deductible endorsement, available in most states. That reduces the deductible over time with each claims-free policy renewal.
Carrier number 2, do you find it strange that every time you say something awesome, a bell dings?
I get that a lot.
Carrier number 3, same question.
Hey, babe, that answer took so long. Can you repeat the question, please?
Sure, babe. My customer is looking for some discounts and other amenities. What can you offer?
Discounts. I do have a few, but let's talk about what car this customer has. Is it a nice shiny one like an Aston Martin? I love those cars.
Carriers, I have one last question. Carrier number 1. Tell me what really set you apart from other companies and why I should choose you for my customer's auto policy.
Because I'm simply right for the job. But again, only if there are no recent claims.
And carrier number 2, why should I choose you?
Well, Ann, I really think I'm the perfect fit. You know, as a stable insurance group, I specialize in the non-standard. I want your customer with a recent accident, decent credit, and a lower-end car. Also, I'd love it if they own their own home, too. I can also insure most customers that have a foreign driver's license. And don't forget, I offer policies that are liability only, as well as full coverage. So really, I have it all.
And carrier number 3, same question.
Well, you could choose me. Who wouldn't? Ding. But it just sounds like your customer doesn't have the right car for my policy.
Well, a lot of great answers there, Ann. And now it's time for that difficult decision. Which auto insurance carrier will you select? Carrier number 1, carrier number 2, or carrier number 3?
hi. I've got to be honest. Carrier number 2 sounds like a great fit for this agency.
That's great. Carrier number 2, come on over. How are you feeling, Mr. Non-Standard?
Oh, I'm excited. You know, not only because we specialize in non-standard auto, but we also write policies for standard auto as well. And I think myself and independent agent Ann are going to have a long, successful relationship together, no matter what kind of auto customer she has.
Well, that about does it for us here on Choose Your Carrier. Always remember to think of Foremost when quoting your standard and non-standard auto policies. Carrier number 2, congratulations. And for the rest of you, bye-bye. And I hope you always get the carrier you want. Ready to say goodbye? Ready?